Hello and good evening, all of my beautiful people. So, my granddaughter is turning 4 on Tuesday, and Nana has to work. I said I wasn't taking off for any of my grandkids' birthday this year due to COVID. I do work in a hospital. And I just felt like their birthdays shouldn't be filled with a bunch of people around them because they are really small. So I wanted to come on here with a tutorial because I was inspired by a couple of YouTubers. I watched so many videos, and y'all please forgive me, I can't remember everyone's names. I will get better with that. I'm going to be doing a small hot air balloon basket. When her basket is actually complete, I will put her gifts at the bottom of the basket with some things that she asked Nana to get for her. So let's get to it. I'm just going to show you the materials that I have. So this is a basket that I've had for quite some time. It's still in pretty good condition. So just this basket. I've got 2 pipe cleaners, my lighter for my ribbon. I used just about all of my wooden dials, so I'm actually using 4 wooden skewers. So hopefully these will work out. These are the ones that actually has the point on the end. I recently ordered some balloons for a client, so I did have some left over, so I got them in pink. I do have clear because that's the main balloon I'm going to be using. A couple of other miscellaneous balloons. I'm not going to use all of these. I'm just going to put a couple of the colors that I'm working with. But I did recently order, let's see how many inches is this. This is actually 1.5-inch denim. This is one of my denim. I love to work with the color denim. So I have denim. I have a sheer lavender. I have a burlap pink. Light pink. Kind of like a celadon green. Off-white or cream. Lime green. And this is also one of my favorite ribbons that I got. I got this from Hobby Lobby, y'all. I will tell you, go there during their off season because they usually have a bin full of marked down ribbons on clearance. Clearance was like just a few cents. And I've got this green tulle. I also have my balloon pump plugged up over there. You can't see it. And I have my handheld one because I'll be using both. And I also have double-sided tape. I'm going to be using that in lieu of glue dots. So also I have my glue gun, so I'm going to plug that up and get this heated up, and then I will actually come back on, and once I glue the wooden skewers in here, I'm going to show you how that looks, and I'll come back. Okay, everyone, I am back. And while I was off camera, letting my glue gun heat up, I actually started pre-cutting the ribbon. I wanted to be able to do something while that was heating up. So I've got 4 pieces of the burlap ribbon, and I'm going to tell you right now, I couldn't find my tape measure, so I can't tell you how long these are. I'm going to say this one is maybe about 6 inches, but really cut them to what size that you want. And the reason why the pink burlap is going to be shorter than the rest of these that I cut, because I actually had very little of this ribbon left. So I had to improvise and just cut it to the short piece that was going to be left on the roll. I've cut the 4 purple, the 4 denim. And now I'm going to open up this other one right here. Yeah, I know if y'all are big crafters, you never use your good paper scissors for cutting material and so forth. And if you beautician, you never let anyone use your craft scissors to cut. I mean, use your hair scissors for crafts. My girls done it a few times, and I've actually got really upset. So all I'm doing is taking the one piece that I cut, that I bought with the other ones, and just finished cutting that. 2 more pieces to cut. Y'all, I'm actually really tired today. I worked a 12-hour shift at the hospital. This was my 4th day working this week. And I'm in the Texas area, guys, so we were hit pretty hard during that storm, and I actually hadn't been working. I wasn't at work for 9 days during the storm. So when I went back to work, I went back to work full force. So I am really dragging, but I really wanted to get this tutorial up. I knew I had to make it. My granddaughter's birthday is on Tuesday, so I wanted to get this done since I have to work on Tuesday. So we have 4 pieces of that pretty ribbon. And then we're going to do this one next. Lime green satin. And if y'all haven't noticed, I am sitting in my bed while I'm doing this because that's how sleepy I am, y'all. I am tired. So this one is kind of wrinkled right there at the beginning of the end, and no, I am not going to use it. May or may not use it for something else. I'm not sure. Sometimes I get tired of using extra pieces of something because I say I'm going to use it and I never use it. So I'm trying to get better. And I'm actually lined it up with the pink. It's okay, because what this bow is going to be, guys, is a messy bow. Three more pieces I need to cut. And I actually have 2 more ribbons to cut. I have the celadon green and I have the cream or off-white, so to speak, to cut. I don't want to make the video too long. I don't want you guys to get too bored. So I will cut that and cut my ends, cut the tails of my ribbon, and I shall return. Hold just a moment. Okay guys, so I'm back. So So what I've actually done off camera, because it's really time consuming, I took the wooden dowels and took the thinnest ribbon I had. I could have kept them plain, or I could have painted them. Painting them probably would have took me less time, and I have some quick drying paint, and it probably would have done the trick. But I decided to do something a little bit more creative, and all I did was wrap the dials. It's a little bit of hot glue there. With the pink ribbon. You can see that. So that it gives it a different look. I will be wrapping these two as well. Like I said, I'm literally doing this project sitting on my bed because it's been a long week for me, and I'm trying my best not to let the video be too long. So some of the minor stuff that I'm doing, I'm trying to get that done off camera, but I'm going to actually show you some of the fun parts. So I'm going to do these last two, and then I'll come back. Okay, everyone, I am back. And I had to go get an extension cord to move the hot glue gun closer to me. So I kept having to go to the side of my bed to do it. And it's like, I don't have time to do that, y'all. It's getting way, way past my bedtime. Don't have work tomorrow, so that's why I'm pushing myself to finish it. Okay, so I have all of the skewers that I use because my wooden dials, I only had 2 of them left, so wasn't gonna be enough. So I had to improvise and use these, and I did wrap these in ribbon. So no, not looking like anything yet, but I just came up with a pretty neat idea to top the inside of this basket off. And yeah, you're gonna have little loose hot glue hanging around. So here's what we're gonna do. From the bottom of the basket to where it ends right there, I'm gonna say roughly just eyeballing it and look like it's probably about 4 inches. So here's what I'm gonna do. Just because sometimes I have a tendency to be a little extra. Yes, indeed. Let's see. Right there. I'm going to cut 4 of these. And I'm going to show you what I just thought of. That is going to be so super cute. Now, I've seen these hot air balloons done different ways. And as I said, I was so inspired by so many different YouTubers that I said, okay, I took all that in and absorbed that information, but you want to really try to come up with your own unique design ultimately and make things your own. You don't want to do something exactly the way that someone else does them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to create a flap, and I'm going to hot glue that so that it covers that part of the door, dial slash skewer, excuse me. So I'm just going to put a hefty amount, or I can do this. I can put a little tiny dot in each corner because I wanted to cover the side. Dot right there, dot right there. Dot in the middle there, dot on the side there. Dot right there, dot right there. So it's like 6 total dots. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm gonna have to put some more, y'all, because it's not sticking like I want to. So let's put some more. Much better. See that? So it looks a little bit prettier on the inside, right there at the bottom. So, I'm actually gonna have to make this video into 2 parts, because my battery is running low. So this will be part 1 of the DIY tutorial on how to make a small hot air balloon basket. Stay tuned for the part 2 because that's coming up immediately after this one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.